What's up, y'all? I know it's been a while. I haven't been able to post like that. Been busy, but I wanted to give y'all an update on the bike. So I'm gonna go over some of the new things I did. Let's start with. Can you get out the video? Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we got the graphics kit. I don't know if I had that on the last time. I think I had these fork seals on. I had this on. I believe. Uh, we got the new pegs. Got the new pegs. I like these. They're a lot better. And new clutch lever and brake levers over there. The gold ones. It took a minute to find these. Actually, I can't remember the guy who had posted them, but thank you. And also this fender. This is what is this? I want to say this is a 450 fender. So put that on there. Do. The swing arm, of course. You can see I just put the swing arm graphics on there. I need to change this because on the other side it ripped. And then of course I got these new turn signals, took the bulky ones off, had to install a relay. Let me show you what the relay look like. If y'all can see. Yeah, so that's what that look like. No hyper flash or nothing like that. And anything else I do know? Got the fender, got the fork seals. Y'all already seen the or did I have these wheels on? Not sure. That, the pegs, and I believe that's it. I'm missing anything, Aubrey?
Yes.
What am I missing? Your four-wheeler and her four-wheeler, I guess. So, yeah, but that's it.
Shoo, shoo,
Any questions, just ask me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
shoo.
I did EJK on in the last video, but yeah, I put that on to let y'all hear how it sounds right now.